What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna just do a small video, a small vlog update on the Z. I don't really got a lot done to it yet. Got some parts coming in real by the end of this month, but yeah, nothing. I haven't really done anything to the Z as I said earlier. It's been sitting the way you last saw it last time, I guess, in the last video. But yeah, the only thing I did get done was I got these really nice side markers, the animated side markers, or the transitional side markers. I did the little Z logo. My girl got me that. It's pretty sick. Cleans up the car, the whole black look. But yeah, that's basically it for the Z at the moment. I got some coils because this thing is way too dang low, bro. Like, I gotta raise it up because the lip, I had to go underneath the car and raise the under tray because it was slightly hanging because I scraped everywhere. So I'm gonna get the coils that are coming in soon and raise the car just a little bit, and maybe some new wheels. Maybe you just gotta stay tuned and see. Oh yeah, the interior, like you guys already see the interior. I got this cool air freshener from Tuner Cult. Got my shifter. You know, nothing really significant. The carbon fiber pieces. Yeah, nothing crazy, to be honest. But yeah, it's gonna be a short video. Let me show you the intakes real quick. So yeah, I got Stillen Gen 3 intakes. That's basically it. You know, they go into the bumper. That's basically it, man. That is basically it. And I have, you know, regular Nismo exhaust, but the Nismo exhaust has a spacer. So the spacer allows you to hear more crackles and pops. It doesn't really add anything to the car other than that. But yeah, that's it for, you know, the small updates. I'm gonna switch over to, you know, a GoPro footage or a POV footage. Just giving you like some small content because I don't really have anything coming in for the car like right as of now. But in the near future, by the end of this month, I should have some new content for the car, for the Z. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this POV footage. So like I said, I have spacer and intake. That's all I have, and Nismo exhaust, obviously. So that's it. So yeah, let's get on the road. Turn this window up because I am not used to this camera on my head and people watching me. I wanted to do a pull here, but I guess never mind. But don't worry, there's more roads up top where we're going that I can do some more pulls. Bro, I can't make this up. I just want to do a pull, man. If it's not traffic, someone's dying. He's gonna turn left. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's a wrap. I can't do crap. Sorry guys, I can't do anything. There's traffic freaking everywhere. Trying to do some pulls, man. Yeah, that's the closest I can get to a freaking pole because this traffic is crazy. I see him, he sees me.
The next day.
Yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. It was like a short, video on me trying something new, nothing too serious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and yeah, tell me if you guys like this POV footage, this POV style of videos. I can do some more, especially when I get the exhaust and everything, but yeah, just let me know, because there's bro, what the. But yeah, before I was rudely interrupted, let me know if you guys like this style of video. I'll be happy to do some more stuff like this, with the POV footage, driving and exhaust clips, stuff like that. So yeah, so let me know if you like it. I'll be happy to do some more. Hey, Jenny. Yeah, I'll be happy to shoot some more videos like this in this format. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching, guys. Peace.